Welcome to Video Diaries. Today is the second video in the Navratri Special series, which is instant coconut laddu with condensed milk. This can be made with two simple ingredients and in under 2 minutes. So let's begin. Ingredients are 200 grams desiccated coconut, condensed milk as per taste, and some milk if required. In a bowl, add dry roasted desiccated coconut 200 grams. I've already dry roasted and kept it aside until the raw smell goes. To this, add condensed milk little at a time. Mix them well until the desiccated coconut is well combined with the condensed milk. In the meanwhile, if you're new to my channel, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe. Add some more condensed milk. The idea is to add the condensed milk as required to make a sticky dough so that we can transform this into a laddu. Once the mixture looks like this, divide the mixture into two portions. Now add some cocoa powder to one portion, some milk if required, and mix them well. I have used around 90 ml of condensed milk for 200 grams of desiccated coconut. Now take a small portion of the mixture and roll it in your hands as shown in the video and start making the laddus. Once that's done, roll them in some desiccated coconut. This step is optional and our instant coconut laddu with condensed milk is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then be sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Happy Navratri, and I will see you in my next video tomorrow.